Mechanism bacterial pathogenesis. Ability of the bacteria to produce disease or tissue injuries often refers to as two closely related but not synonymous term. Pathogenesis is generally employed to refer to the ability of the microspecies to grow. Pathogenesis means कोई भी उसको disease cause करने वाला virulence is more specifically to describe the relative degree of pathogenesis. Relative degree of pathogenesis कहते हैं virulence, which may be very different strains of the same organism depending upon the expression. Virulence is the relative term. Different strains of the same species, different strains of the same species may exhibit varied degree of virulence. Some strains are highly virulent while some strains are low and some are avirulent. The virulence of the strain may undergo spontaneous or induced virulence, exhalation and attenuation. Enhancement of the virulence is known as exhalation, which can be induced experimentally by series attenuation. It refers to the reduction of virulence which can be achieved by passage to the unfavorable host, repeated culture and artificial medium, growth in high temperature, presence of weak conditions or prolonged storage in culture. Route of transmission. The route of transmission of infection play a crucial role in the pathogenesis of substance. Some bacteria such as streptococcus can initiate infection, which may be route of entry. Other can survive and multiply only when introduced by the optimum routes. Vibrio cholerae are infected orally but are unable to cause infection when introduced. This difference is probably the mode by which the different bacteria are able to initiate tissue damage and establish themselves. Infective dose क्या होता है? Infective dose of the bacteria is referred to as the minimum inoculum size that is capable of मतलब जिस minimum inoculum size is capable है of initiating an infection. उसका infective dose is not determining whether disease is going to set or not. Low infective dose. Certain organisms require a relatively small inoculum to initiate infection, like Shigella, E. coli, and Campylobacter jejuni. Low, very low S10 bacilli, low S10 bacilli, and large infective in contrast bacteria with high mode of transmission of bacteria. बैक्टीरिया कैसे ट्रांसफर होता है? बाय कॉन्टैक्ट. मल्टी ड्रग रेजिस्टेंट ऑर्गेनिज्म स्टेफिलोकोकस, ई कोलाई, क्लैब्सिला, बैसिलस, ड्रॉपलेट, मेनिंजोकोकस, डिप्थीरिया, निमोकोकस, एरोसोल ingestion, salmonella, shigella, vibrio, and E. coli, campylobacter, vector-borne rickettsia, and sexual gonococcus, chlamydia, vertical trypanosoma pallidum, birth canal, listeria, streptococcus agilicans, E. coli, salmonella, vibrio cholera. Infective dose vary depending on the factors such as virulence of the organism. High ज़्यादा virulence होगा, low virulence, host of the agent, the ability of the organism to resist the gastric acid. Shigella जो एक ऐसा organism जिसको gastric acid resist करता है. Even a low infective dose can initiate, मतलब low infective dose में भी initiate कर सकता है. In contrast, extremely acid level hence requires a heavy inoculum to bypass the gastric barrier. Adhesion of the bacteria to the cell surface is the initial event in the pathogen. Adhesion मतलब चिपकने के लिए. It is mediated by specialized molecule. Adhesion molecule होता है जिससे adhesion that binds to a specific host. Adhesion prevent the bacteria from being in the secretion and also facilitated bacterial into Fimbria और Pella non-parasitation by film formation. Fimbria और Pella they are the most important adhesion present in some bacteria. They directly bind to the sugar residue glycoprotein. They bind करता है cell non-pilus adhesion. Apart from the pilus, there are other adhesion found in the certain bacteria such as M protein. M protein भी एक adhesion molecule है. Pyrin, lipotecoic acid, cell surface biofilm formation. Biofilm formation क्या होता है? Another mechanism by which certain bacteria mediate strong adherence to the certain structure such as catheter, prosthetic implant. वही catheter और prosthetic implants के साथ hard wall. Biofilm is a group of the bacterial cell which sticks to the each surface embedded within the layer or cell production. Invasion मतलब entry of the bacteria and leading to the spread wide variety of the highly invasive pathogen produces spreading of the general example streptococcal infection, while less invasive pathogen causes local example staphylococcus. Some pathogen कुछ pathogens of the capable of causing fatal disease lack invasive but remain confined to the site of the body. Important example Clostridium tetani. Important virulence factor that helps in increasing virulence marker antigen or plasmid in Shigella. Intracellular bacteria. Facultative intracellular bacteria. Obligate facultative में अगर तुम्हारा Salmonella typhi, Brucella. Facultative intracellular जो अंदर Legionella, Listeria, Nocardia, Microbiota, Rickettsia, नेगेट्स या एक्लेमेडियल को भी पर एंजाइम इन्वेजन ऑफ बैक्टीरिया बाय जो इन्वेजन है बैक्टीरिया का invasion of the bacteria is caused by many enzymes such as hyaluronidase, collagenase, streptococcus, IgA. Antiphagocytic factor bacteria rapidly killed one they are ingested by मतलब जल्दी मर जाता है such as PMNL polymer और macrophages. Some pathogen develop strategy to evade कुछ जो है pathogenesis को evade करने के लिए सबसे पहला जो फॉर्म होता है वो कैप्सूल prevent phagocytosis of the bacteria by preventing the phagocytic form capsule protein meningitis streptococcus pneumonia hemophilus cell wall protein may help in invasion such as protein of the staphylococcus binds to IgG and prevent the activation M protein of the streptococcus pyogenes cytotoxin certain bacteria produces cytotoxin and interfere with the chemotocin killing for example several protein that like bacteria intercellular survival some organisms survive in कुछ जो organism में survive होता है in intercellular movement they have grouped into obligate and facultative. Obligate or facultative may organism once engulfed they develop strategies that involve various types of phagocytosis. Toxins endotoxin are the lipid portion of the lipopolysaccharide. Endotoxin जो होता है lipid portion of the lipopolysaccharide these are present on the integral part of the cell wall of the gram negative bacteria में पाया जाता है integral part होता है they release from the bacterial surface by neutralize the bacteria and responsible for various biological effect in the macrophage activation. जो एंडोटॉक्सिन होता है बाइंड टू द स्पेसिफिक मैक्रोफेज एंड स्टिमुलेट द रिलीज ऑफ द acute phase cytokines such as interleukin 1 tumor necrosis factor and interleukin nitric prostaglandin which causes fever inflammation and activation of immune cell. मैकेनिज्म यूज बाय बैक्टीरिया फॉर इंटरसेलुलर सर्वाइवल मैकेनिज्म कौन सा मैकेनिज्म यूज होता है बैक्टीरिया जो अंदर सर्वाइव करे मैकेनिज्म इंटरसेलुलर सर्वाइवल इनहिबिशन ऑफ फाइगोलाइजम फ्यूजन रेजिस्टेंस लाइसोसोमल एंजाइम एंड एडेप्टेशन टू साइटोप्लाज्म ऑर्गेनिज्म कौन होता है फाइगोलाइजम फ्यूजन लेजन स्पीशीज माइकोबैक्टीरियम क्लैमाइडिया सैल्मोनेला टाइफिकोलोक्सिला बैम मैक्रोबैक्टीरियम एडेप्टेशन टू साइटोप्लाज्म लिस्टेरिया रिकेट्सिया फ्रांसिया ट्यूबरकुलोसिस. Complement activation highly concentration of the can initiate or activate the alter part of the complement release C3A C5A promotes inflammatory cells chemotaxis high grade fever hypertension shock and capillary endothelial activation leads to increased vascular permeability coagulation pathway activation it activates Hagman factor and other coagulation factor leading to the disseminated platelet activation lead to the mediator that causes vasodilation to mast cell activator leads to the release of the mediator that causes muscle contraction in gram negative septicemia endotoxin released in the large quantity causes high fever skin lesion related dehydration endotoxin endotoxin होता क्या these are heat level protein secreted by certain species of the gram positive bacteria and diffuser surrounding medium high potency used for vaccine and specific action high potency endotoxin are highly potent even in minor amount botulinum toxin more potent 39.2 botulinum would be sufficient to endotoxin can be converted toxide by treatment the formaldehyde toxide lacks to but retain antigenesis in the specific action these are highly specific for a particular disease example tetanus toxin for CNA they are specific for activity यहाँ पे कुछ दिया हुआ स्टेफाइलोकोकस और एंडोटॉक्सिन शॉक डिप्थीरिया टॉक्सिन